Hello friend, this is Professor Manoj Kumar, Director CRC ECA, Victoria University, Melbourne, Australia, VU GNOI Center of Excellence and your friend career coach. Today I would like to acquaint the youth about the paradigm shift of traditional manufacturing process to a smart manufacturing, that is the Industry 4.0. We are in the midst of significant transformation regarding the way we produce products thanks to digitalization of manufacturing. This transition is so compelling that it is being called Industry 4.0 to represent the fourth industrial revolution that has occurred in manufacturing. So therefore, friends, we know very well that from the first industrial revolution, the mechanization through water and steam powers, to the mass productions and assembly lines using electricity in the second. So fourth industrial revolution will take what was started in the third with the adoption of the computers and automation and enhance it with the smart and autonomous systems fueled by data and machine learning and Internet of Things, that is the IoT. Therefore, the fourth industrial revolution is also about making the existing business model smart and more powerful to scale up the business. So the production sector is now equipped with the advanced technologies such as augmented reality, AI, machine learning, and this is helping them in enabling the automated and interconnected work ecosystems which requires less human involvement. And when the robotics, 3D printing, data analytics, Internet of Things and digital fabrications are joined together, they integrate the physical and virtual worlds. Friends, the biggest advantage of being around 4.0 is the cost optimization in the long run. So all these features are catching the attention of the industrialists and encouraging them to optimize their business model using 4.0 applications. So as the systems are getting more intelligent and learning oriented, the less human involvement and training are required to run the production line up. Therefore, the companies are grappling on how to upskill their current workforce and take on the new work responsibilities made possible by Internet 4.0 and to recruit the new employees with the right skills. Most importantly, the CI is playing a pivotal role towards Industry 4.0 through a Smart Manufacturing Council and its various subcommittees. Indeed, I feel privileged and honored to be the member of the CI Smart Manufacturing Council 2020 to 2021.